Hi, I'm Debbie from the InDe'B Quilt Shop, and I have the cutest Valentine's quilt. Don't you love the old-fashioned Valentines? Doesn't that bring you back to your childhood? Well, it does my childhood. We have that on our website, InDe'B Quilt Shop, in a kit. And guess what? All our kits now come with backing. So look how stinking cute our backing is that we're gonna match it with. Isn't that cute? Wouldn't that be so cute? For a throw, a wall hanging, anything you want. Cute, huh? You have everything you need for the kit. Simple, easy. I bet I did it in half a day. And look at how cute these are. You get hearts, hearts, and cute little Valentines. All you do is you'll have a panel of your cute Valentines. Cut them up. You're going to cut squares with your big hearts, and you're going to cut sashing with your little hearts. Your border is white, and that's it. You put it together. So that's how you start. Then some of them you do two. Then you're going to connect them. Make your roll of 3 across, 4 down, and there you go. Or you have 3 extra. You can add them on the bottom, make it a little bit longer. I took, look how cute. You can make a pillow. I thought, well, maybe I would stack them together. Probably not going to work on this. And make a small wall hanging. Okay, isn't that cute? Let's see. Ta-da! Oops, don't fall. Isn't that cute? So cute, so easy. You make your strips, sew your corner squares on. You don't really even need to match them. You can because it's white. You can't see. That's all there is to it. Your binding is this cute stripe. I cut it on a diagonal. You could cut it straight if you wanted, but I thought it'd be so cute on a diagonal. And then you have this cute white border. I was going to put some red hearts on it. Back it with my cute red. And ta-da! It's all done. Don't you love that? I'm a red person though, so isn't that pretty? That's it. That's all I got to say. Haha. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, like us, click the bell, and change your notifications to all. So every time I'm on here, you can come watch me. So and you know what? We're shipping these out right away. You can get them done for Valentine's. I'm serious. I bet I sold this up in a couple hours after it was cut out. So you can have it ready for Valentine's Day. Send it to your quilter, quilt it yourself, do whatever, and you have a fun wall hanging, snuggle blanket for Valentine's, whatever you want to do. So get on our website, go order you one, we'll ship it out to you, and you'll be ready. Okay, thanks. Bye.